Hi everyone, this is Jen Lowry and I'm here today with Deb Thompson. We're your Coast Professional Realtors here today at 15 Bald Eagle. As you all know, this home's been under contract for some time now and it's finally complete. And today we're going to walk you through some of the best features of this home. Deb, what do you think?
Well, I have to tell you, Jen, after following the construction of this house, walking into it, it just blew my mind. Like, I'm pretty good at imagining things, but when I walked in, it was just a stunner. It took my breath away. There's so many areas. I mean, my favorite part is the great room area, and we can look at that, but have you seen that primary shower in there?
Yes, the shower is fantastic. Yeah. Absolutely love it. And I can't even get past the $100,000 California closet.
Oh my gosh, I know. And then what about this $1 million paradise / sanctuary that we have behind us?
Got a beautiful pool back here, hot tub, jetted spa, heated. It's a whole entertaining area.
And how about the view of the ocean right there?
Yeah, fantastic. Well, let's take a look inside and we'll show you around a couple of the highlights. So Deb, you said that this was your favorite part of the house. Why don't you tell us a little bit more?
It is, and you know, I have to tell you, people talk about wanting this bright, airy, open space, and I mean, look how stunning and dramatic this is.
It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous.
It's gorgeous, but with the design, the colors, everything just comes together perfectly, and what happens is it makes it a beautiful gathering space. You could see a family over here, and this cozy area. Somebody could be prepping in the kitchen. You got the little service kitchen back there, and then you've got this area here. I mean, and with the views behind us, oh my goodness, isn't that sensational?
It is sensational, and I love that the main living area is on the second floor versus on the first floor.
Right.
And you get to have this view when you're here.
You know, you're out there on the beach, you have a wonderful day, like people enjoy and see pines all the time, and you come home to this refuge and this sanctuary. I mean, it wraps you in a hug when you come in to enjoy this space. Sensational.
Yes, I couldn't agree more.
So Jen, I have to tell you, I think this will be enough space for all of my clothes and all of my shoes. How about you?
I know. I don't even know what to say to that. I'm speechless. This is one of the favorite spots of mine in the house.
It's every girl's dream, for sure.
Definitely. $100,000 closet. I think that's sufficient enough for all of Deb's clothes and my clothes maybe combined. California closets. It's got some great features in here, including the suede for all your jewelry. Your diamonds can go in here. Absolutely gorgeous, beautifully done. So I love this space. Come on in, Deb.
Well, don't mind if I do.
Take a look at this shower. So did you know that it took 3 months and 2 people doing all these tiny little tiles by hand?
Well,
can you imagine?
I know, I certainly can't imagine that, but you can tell because of how well it is done. The attention to detail.
Done perfectly. It's beautiful.
And the lighting, the fixtures.
I love the dome.
I've never seen a shower with a dome like this before.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Absolutely love it. Love it. So Deb, here we are, my last and final favorite spot, the $1 million pool and entertaining area. We're sitting here all cozy as can be on this January day by the fire.
Yeah.
And why don't you tell me about what your perfect day would look like here?
My perfect day would be, of course, sunshine. But here, I can just imagine waking up, coming down here, grabbing my cup of coffee, coming down here, sitting at the bar, catching up on the news and the TV, etc. Maybe I can have my husband make a mimosa for me, right? And then maybe going out to the beach right there, since we're oceanfront, steps away, come back, finish at the pool here, laying out, etc. And then make some fabulous dinner.
Think of the entertaining you can do here too. That's what excites me about this property, is all the entertaining features that are here for your friends and your family to come and hang out. It's just an awesome property.
And there's plenty of space in this house because you know that your friends and family will come visit you.
They will, for sure.
Or, you know, we had a house, we rented a house down in Florida, and my whole family went. It was very similar to this. And the memories that we created during that trip, everybody had their privacy, they had their own room, etc. It didn't have this million-dollar outdoor thing, and it wasn't directly on the ocean, but just being together and being able to share that time with family, it was priceless.
Absolutely, and I can definitely see whoever purchases this house will have the same experience here.
They sure will.
Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah. Guys, thank you so much for going on this tour of our favorite places of 15 Bald Eagle. I'm Deb Thompson.
I'm Jen Lowry.
You can reach me at 513-290-9242, or all of my social channels are at Bluffton Homes for Sale.
And I'm Jen Lowry, and you can reach me at 843-540-4615 or at Jen Lowry Sells.